Have you ever heard of Halcyon days? Most people haven't, but I think you'll love the story behind them. They come from a Greek legend about the Halcyon bird, a kingfisher who calmed the stormy seas for 14 days around the winter solstice. When the seas went quiet, the Halcyon could safely build its nest and hatch its young. The Halcyon days usually end by early January. Today the phrase simply means a time of peace and calm. Something the world could really use right now, don't you think? In our winter garden and trails, everything is resting. Everything feels peaceful. I hope your Halcyon days bring you a sense of inner calm, the kind of peace that you can share with everyone you meet. Bless you, today and always.